What are you doing now?
I'm just now learning English in English fantasy.
Great.
And what about you?
I'm also learning English in English fantasy. What is your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor, and basically I'm a student now. So when I grew up, I wanted to make my own business and to do something for my country people.
Okay, great. Do you like traveling?
Yeah, obviously I like traveling. Everybody, I think, they cherish a dream to travel any place. So as a person, I obviously like traveling.
What kind of place you recently visit in like?
Yeah, just a few months ago, I have visited Sundarban. You know, Sundarban is the most largest mangrove forest in the world. Because you know the main character of Sundarban is Royal Bengal tiger. Just because of this, Bangladesh is very famous, and that's why I made a visit with my family. It was a nice moment for us, and also I have aspiration that if I get any chance, then I would like to go India and China to visit. What about you?
I'm also like traveling. Recently, I visited Slate. There was a beautiful place like Shadapathor is actually beautiful, and lots of natural things is there, like a hill, also river, some river and something. I am like to visit like Jaflong is another place of it's nearby near of border in Bangladesh and India border. It's a very beautiful place to visit, and I enjoy this time visit.
Do you have an aspiration to go outside?
Yes, I want to go abroad and also try visit like traveling in abroad life, and I want to I want to be a vlogger, like international vlogger, traveling vlogger. Then when I visit some place, then I will make video, vlogging video.
I think it's a great idea.
Yes.
I also cherish this. So you know, traveling is likely a hobby, or you can say that. So if I get any chance, I will visit different types of place.
Do you have any experience about this place, like in Bangladesh tourist place?
You know, Bangladesh tourist spot isn't so much in risk, but it is developing day by day. You can take Cox's Bazar. When you go to Cox's Bazar, you will come to know that Cox's Bazar is now on another level. It is the largest cities in the world, and also different types of people come to visit Cox's Bazar. So as I visited Cox's Bazar, I have experience. So you can take that. I can say that if you have any chance, you can pay a visit to Cox's Bazar. Then it would be a great moment for you.
When you visit Cox's Bazar?
It was like 3 years ago.
Almost 3 years ago.
It was you know, friendly. We some of our friends we have visit to Cox's Bazar. It was really a nice moment with us.
What kind of place you want to visit next?
Next, you know, my passport is in process. So when I get my passport, then I would like to go India and also China. As my father is a businessman, he sometimes pay a visit to China for his business. So if I get my passport, I would like to go with my father as a tourist or as a businessman. What do you say?
Definitely, you want to be a businessman.
Yeah, obviously, as I mentioned, I wanted to be a businessman and also a sincere and good person.
Okay, Masjid, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you, brother.